Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my lesson on teaching you how to sketch. That's right. So this lesson I want you to really focus on the technique of sketching, an art that's really dying in this industry, and how it really impacts your creativity and your art skills. Is the more you sketch, the better you will become. Not just in cartoons, in any area in the arts. I guarantee that. So what you see, what I'm working on is a little cactus and coming out of a flower pot. And my lines are really quick, simple, as you can see, just fast action. I have nothing that I'm looking at, or I'm just using my imagination and figuring it as I go, which is great. That's why I want you to really focus on using your imagination, your creativity, and not focusing on looking at something, because somebody had to create that from the very beginning. So when you're looking at something, that's great. If you can draw it, not a problem. But now use your imagination, whatever comes into your thoughts, and just sketch it out. That's a challenge a lot of artists on these videos that you're going to see not doing. And that's what I want you to learn, to be a better artist by sketching. All right, so why do I go from one area to another area? It's randomly, and it's whatever my eye and my imagination is taking me to. It's like right now I'm just going to be working on the body, jump right back on the nose and go right back to the body. That's typical on sketching for me, and I guarantee you're going to have the similar process when you get to be a lot better on sketching. And take anything that you can find in a room or your imagination, just turn it into a cartoon, or just sketch whatever you see in front of you, possibly too. All right, so here I'm just going to be doing a little bit more detail, and if I do like this a lot, then I'll take it and I'll clean it up to be a lot better. This is just a rough drawing. And then I might do traditional color pencils or watercolors, or bring it right back on the computer and do some digital art on it. So anything that has a possibility. And as I always say to my students in my classes when I'm teaching, never throw away any of your art and your sketches. That's a good indication of how you are progressing as an artist. You're always wondering, how do I get better, or how am I becoming an artist? And the best way of seeing it is through your own artwork and seeing how you're getting better and better and better. So don't throw your art away. It's always an encouragement to go back a year later, or 2 years, or 5 years, or even 20 years. And for me, over 40 years right now. Anyway, so I think we're coming to the very end of this little lesson right now. And spend about 30 minutes a day on sketching, and I guarantee you'll be getting better. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and of course, have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.